Hi, welcome to Miss Jessica's World. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. When you do that, you help my channel grow. You can also follow me on Instagram at Miss Jessica's World. Hi everyone, I'm Miss Jessica. Welcome to my world. Today, we're going to make a craft, and that craft is Pinecone turkeys. For this craft, you will need red, yellow, orange, brown, and dark brown foam, felt, or cardstock, a pom-pom, some googly eyes, a pine cone, scissors, glue, and this optional stencil guide to help you cut out your feathers. You can find the link to this in the description below and have your grown-up printed out. Okay, let's get started. If you use the guide, go ahead and cut out 3 stencils using cardstock. Now you can cut out your feathers. Cut out 7 or 8 large feathers, 7 or 8 medium-sized feathers, and 7 or 8 small feathers. Next, using red, cut out the turkey wattle. I made my own stencil, so you can ask your grown-up to help you with this. It kind of looks like an upside-down apostrophe. Using orange, cut out a tiny triangle for the beak. Next, glue the triangle onto the wattle. Let that dry. Next, get your pom-pom. Add some googly eyes. Then glue your beak and your wattle onto the pom-pom. Now we have a little turkey face. Grab your pine cone and the feathers. Starting with the large feather, glue the very bottom of the feather and the bottom front of the feather, and then stick it somewhere in the back end of the pine cone. If the feather doesn't stay in place right away, just hold it there and count to 8. Repeat this process using a different color. Place the big feathers in the back 2 rows of the pine cone. Place the medium feathers in the middle areas of the pine cone. And then place the small feathers near the front of the pine cone. Grab your turkey head and glue it to the front of your pine cone. If the front of the pine cone isn't flat, you can break off the pieces to make room for the turkey head. We did it! Ta-da! A pine cone turkey! Super colorful and festive. And if you make more than one, you will have a family of pinecone turkeys. And it's cool because pine cones are all different sizes and shapes, so each pinecone you make, or each pinecone turkey you make, will turn out incredibly unique. Thank you so much for creating with me. I love creating with you. I'm Miss Jessica, and I'll see you soon. Bye! I would love to see what you made. You can ask your grown-up to send a video or picture to me at my email at contact@missjessicasworld.com or on Instagram at missjessicasworld.
You can send fan mail to Miss Jessica's World at 1812 Burbank Blvd, number 927, Burbank, California, 91506.